Guangzhou Benchu Kitchen Equipment Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of commercial refrigeration equipment, such as supermarket refrigeration, kitchen refrigerator and freezer, beverage showcase, drawer counter, pizza counter, table cabinet, and all kinds of non-standard customized refrigeration equipment. We are located in Guangzhou, Xinji Haotai Hotel Articles Export City with convenient transportation access. We have a professional technician and service team with vigor and vitality, sufficient experience and innovation culture. Our associate factory use leading and advanced manufacturing equipment and production technology in the field of refrigeration industry, and strict quality control system to guarantee the quality, stability, and durability of our products. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to countries all over the world. With many years of experience in trade majority of products to Southeast Asia, Europe, and America. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.